Morning everyone, welcome again in the math class. Now I will discuss concept sheet and topic is cube and cube roots. Children, do you know cube and cube roots? Cube is when we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number has been cubed and the product is called as the cube of that number. For example, 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay children, 4 cube, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. It is the cube. And children, do you know cube root a number? The cube root of a number is the number whose cube gives that number. For example, the cube root of 64 is 4. Since 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. In a symbolic form, the cube root of 64 is written as under root 64, that is 4. That is 3. 64, that is 4. Answer is 4. The cube root of n is written as that is n is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay children, now I will discuss question number 1. Which of the following is the perfect cube? Which of the following is the perfect cube? Children, perfect cube is, that is factor of 343,000. Do you know perfect cube? It is an integer that is equal to some other integer raised to the third power. We refer to raising to number to the third power as cubing the number. For example, 125 is a perfect cube because factor of 125 is 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. That is perfect cube of 125 is 5. Okay children, that is 343 into 1000, 7 into 7 into 7 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 7 cube into 10 cube. Okay, that is 1 upon 3. That is 7 cube into 7 into 10 cube. That is answer will be 343,000. Okay children, answer will be C. Question number 1, C part. Question number 2. What is the smallest number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product as a perfect cube? What is the smallest number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is perfect cube? Children, 392, factor of 392. 2 1 ja 2, 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16, 2 49 ja, ठीक है, 49 ja 7 7 ja 49. If we multiply by 7, that 392 is the perfect cube because pair of 2 is cube and 7 into 7 into 7 is also cube. That is the 7 is the smallest number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is perfect cube. Okay children, question number 2. Question number 3. Find the cube of 18. So children, we know that cube definition, we multiply by same number. When we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number has been cubed and the product is called as the cube of that number. That is 18 into 18, 18 cube, 18 into 18 into 18, that is 5832. Answer will be 5832. So question number 3, answer will be 5832. Question number 4. Find the ones digit of the cube of each of the following. Find the one digits of the cube of each of the following. So children, 1024 is a unit digits, that is 4, and 77 number of ending in that number is 4, 7. Children, listen once again. 1024 is the number ending in that is 4. The unit digit in the cube is 4. Okay children. And B part, 77 number of ending in 7, unit digit in the cube is 3. Okay, 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Is value will be 3. Okay children, number 5. Find the cube root of 512. Cube root of 512. Cube root 512. Factor of 512. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 1 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. And factor of 64 is also 64 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16. That is, answer will be pair of 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2. Pair of 4 in 4, 2 into 4, that is 8. So answer will be answer will be 8. So cube root of 512 is 8. Article number 6. Evaluate that 0.18 cube. 0.8 cube. 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. 8 8 is 64 and 64 8 is 512. Decimal will come 3 place, that is 0.512. Answer will be 0.512. Question number 7. Cube of 6. Cube of 6. 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 is the 36. 36 is the 216. The answer will be 216. Okay children, 8th question. 2 cube can be written as the sum of consecutive odd number. Consecutive odd number is 2 cube. 2 cube is consecutive number 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 2 cube is equal to 8. Therefore, value will be 3 plus 5. Answer will be 3 plus 5. So 2 cube can be written as the sum of consecutive of odd numbers. 3 is odd number and 5 is odd number. 3 and 5 are also odd consecutive numbers. Okay children. The prime factors of 216. Prime factor of 216, question number 9. Prime factor of 216, that is 216. 6 3s are 18, 6 6s are 36, 6 6s are 36. ठीक है, so 6. तो prime factor of 216 is 6. The answer will be 6. Question number 10. The cube of every even number is. The cube of every even number is, that is even number. For example, 4 is even number. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. So 4 is even number. 64 is even number. Okay, children. Question number 11. Which one of the following is the cube of an odd number? Which one of the following is the cube of an odd number? That is, answer will be odd number, that is 343. That is 7 cube. It is the odd number 343. Which one of the following of the case is odd number? 7 is 7 cube, that is 7 7s are 49. 749 into 7, that is 343. 343. 343 is odd number and 7 is also odd number. Question number 12. The cube of a number is the number raised to the power. The cube of the raised number, the cube of a number is the number raised to the power. The cube of a number is the number raised to the power, that is 3. Cube number is that number raised to the power 3. Okay, children. Question number 13. The cube root of a number x is the number whose cube is 13. Whose cube is 13. Whose cube is 3. Cube is x. So b is x. Cube root of a number x is the number whose cube is x power 1 by x power 3. Question number 14. In the prime factorization of any number, each factor appears 3 times, is called as perfect cube. Do you know perfect cube? It is an integer. Perfect cube is an integer that is equal to some other integer raised to the third power. We refer to raising the two number to the third power as cubing the number. For example, 125 is the perfect cube because factor of 125 is 5 cube. 125, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So 5 cube is the perfect cube. Okay, children. A perfect cube number does not end with two numbers. A perfect cube number does not end with two numbers. So answer will be 2. Question number 16. 6 cube is expressed as the sum of consecutive odd number is. Odd number is B, because 31 plus 33 plus 35, 37 plus 39, 41, that is 216. If adding this number, answer will be 216. It is the cube of 6. It is the cube of 6. That is 6 cube is 216. So in the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appeared 3 times, then the number is perfect cube. Okay, children. The cube of 149. The cube of 149 ones digit. Children, ones digit. The cube of 149 is 1 cube of 149 is 3307949. If we multiply 3 times of 149, so then it will be 3307949, where one digit is 9. The answer will be 9. The answer will be B. Okay, children. Question number 18. Which of the following is perfect cube? Which of the following is perfect cube? I understand perfect cube it is an integer that is equal to some other integer raised to the third power. We refer to raising the number to the third power as cubing the number. For example, 125 is the perfect cube. The answer will be 8,000. Answer will be 8,000. 8,000. 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. It is the perfect cube. Okay, 8,000 is a perfect cube. Okay children, have a nice day. Good day.